Have you ever helped a young person with mathematics or any other subject and they say, aha, I get it. I understand. Isn't it amazing the feeling that you receive? This is our company. Our company is about creating aha moments. The problem is that in America today, there aren't enough aha moments. I mean, math achievement for arguably 60 to 75% of young students, specifically 4th through 8th graders. It's abysmal. It's an absolute crisis. Fortunately, there's help because in a 2024 world, we have to re-examine how math instruction is going to be delivered. And that's the mission of our company, Nimble Numbers. We add practical, deep understanding. We subtract away the math anxiety. It's easier said than done. Consider the following. We believe that students, all successful math students, and if you think about your own experiences, they do four things. First of all, you enter the world of numbers. Well, in the past, it might have been working at the five and dime, making change, on a construction site, measuring, right, building something, engineering-wise, cooking. It's a great way to enter the world of numbers, right? And we're building and seeing. We're talking and listening about the mathematics, and especially in school, we were writing the algorithms, right? We were reflecting on what we did. Think about today's world. I mean, the tech virtual world is amazing. It's created incredible positive changes in lots of industries and in our life. But I can make a strong case in math instruction and the achievement that has then ensued, or lack thereof, is part of a detrimental change. I mean, if students are paying with their iPhone instead of bringing coins and dollars, right, out of their pocket to pay for it, and they're measuring rooms with phones, well, it's efficient, and it might be very accurate, but there is no deep understanding. I mean, consider the following problem a 4th, 5th, 6th grader is doing, and they're comparing two fractions, a 10th and a 20th, and they can then answer with a less than, greater than, or equal sign. Why is this so difficult for so many young people? If you look at the math test, the National Math Achievement, it's incredibly low. Well, here's what's happening. Students type in Google, compare a 10th and a 20th. This is what comes up. There is no deep understanding here. It provides the answer. The links are inadequate. If you're doing this right now on your phone, I think you can attest to that. Right? Go into ChatGPT, do the same. It returns all the math steps that we may have learned, right? Or in Elon Musk's AI model, Grok, the same. It's all mathematically correct. It only works for about 20% of the students today. 20% of the students really get, converting the fractions to a decimal or seeking common denominators, right, for comparison purposes. We have developed a better way for young people when they are in a search engine comparing a 10th and a 20th. We have developed the following. We have developed software, an infinite number system, right, in the yellow brick road, where numbers, right, positive numbers to the right, negative numbers to the left of zero, and students enter the number system, right? Specifically, if they go off the road and be turned into the airplane, right, they're in the worlds of fraction, decimal, percents. And we immerse them into this number world so that they can build fraction bars. They build a 20th. They build a 10th. And they bring in coins and they see what the value of a 20th is and the value of a 10th is. They see it. This gives them the ability to talk and listen to one another and to their teachers, right, so that they have the common language of mathematics. They're naturally seeing that 10 out of 100 pennies organically reduces down to 2 out of 20 nickels or 1 out of 10 dimes. This is a beautiful way to learn mathematics. Honestly, I wish I had it when I was in school. Lastly, I'm a big believer that students need to write. We have a whiteboard in our software. Right? Students are writing, hey, a tenth has 5 more pennies. That is showing that the student understands that a tenth is greater than a 20th, or to put it another way, a 20th is less than a tenth. And so this software with these 4 learning steps is a beautiful way, specifically for 4th through 8th graders, the critical age to learn mathematics before a student enters Algebra 1. Right? These 4 steps are what create aha moments, deep understanding, right? And so we would love for you to be a part of our company. Our goal is to have every student have access to Nimble Numbers through a large language model like Google, or through an artificial intelligence model like ChatGPT or Elon Musk Grok. We want those companies to either purchase us or for us to become partners with them, so that when students type any math problem into that Google search bar or other search engines, that they retrieve our number world, that they build and see, listen and speak, write and reflect. We all know that the need is great. The opportunity is immense with this solution that we have created. Right? It's time to create more aha moments. I would love for you to contact me, to phone, text, or email me, become part of our company to build a great, great solution for young people in America.